In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slider on Clickfunnel. We're going to walk through how to set up a simple product image slider, also known as a product carousel, using the tools built into your Clickfunnels account. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable slider on your funnel page that lets visitors scroll through multiple images of your product. First, we need to prepare your product by giving it multiple images. This is important because the slider pulls directly from the images that are attached to your product. If there's only one image, the carousel will have nothing to rotate through. Inside your ClickFunnels dashboard, look to the side navigation menu and click on Products. Then choose All Products so you can see your full list. Find the product you want to feature in your slider. You can click directly on the product name or click the small gear icon next to it to open its settings. Once you're inside the product settings, scroll down until you see the Images section. This is where you manage all the visuals associated with that product. Click on Add Images. Your image gallery will open, and here you want to select multiple images that show your product from different angles, in use, or with different variations if you have them. The more useful and clear these images are, the better your slider will perform. After you've chosen your images, click Select Images to confirm your choices. Make sure you see all the thumbnails appearing inside the Images section. Then, very important, scroll down and click Update Product to save those changes. If you skip this step, the new images won't be available to your carousel. Now that your product is ready, let's add the actual slider to your funnel page. Open the funnel step where you want the slider to appear and launch the page in the editor. Once you're in the editor, hover over the row where you want the slider to live. Click the orange Add Element button inside that row. A panel of different element types will open. Look for the checkout category, because the slider we want is part of the checkout-related elements. From there, select the product carousel element. As soon as you click it, the product carousel will be added to your page. You should see a slider appear inside the row you selected, automatically pulling in the images from your product so visitors can flip through them right on your funnel page.